Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a detailed review of the Naturepedic Concerto pillow top mattress. This mattress has been making waves for its luxurious feel and organic materials, so let's see if it lives up to the hype. The Naturepedic Concerto pillow top is designed to provide a plush yet supportive sleeping experience, ideal for both side and back sleepers. It boasts a combination of organic cotton, wool, latex foam, and micro coils, all aimed at delivering comfort without sacrificing support. The mattress features an impressive 8-layer design. It starts with a top layer of organic cotton and wool batting, which offers a soft and breathable surface. Beneath that, you have organic latex foam for pressure relief, followed by micro coils that enhance body contouring and motion isolation. The entire mattress is encased in organic cotton fabric, ensuring a premium build. One of the standout features of the Concerto pillow top is its plush feel, rating around 5 out of 10 on the firmness scale. This makes it particularly comfortable for those who enjoy sinking into their mattress while still getting adequate support. During our testing, both side and back sleepers found it to relieve pressure points effectively, with minimal motion transfer. In terms of performance, the Concerto impressed us with its neutral heat dissipation, which is crucial for maintaining a comfortable temperature throughout the night. It also exhibited consistent edge support, ensuring stability whether you're sitting on the edge or sleeping near it. Motion isolation was decent, making it suitable for couples with different sleep schedules. Overall, the Naturepedic Concerto pillow top mattress shines as a top choice for anyone looking for a premium, organic sleep experience. Its blend of comfort, support, and organic certifications make it a standout in the luxury mattress market. If you prioritize organic materials, plush comfort, and reliable support, the Naturepedic Concerto pillow top mattress is definitely worth considering. It's particularly great for side sleepers seeking pressure relief without sacrificing support. That wraps up our review of the Naturepedic Concerto pillow top mattress. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth product reviews. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and I'll see you in the next video.